Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by picking the right emoji for your video topic and audience. Choose one or two symbols that reinforce tone, fun, urgent, or informative, because emojis change meaning across platforms. Once you have candidates, preview them on mobile and desktop to confirm appearance and make sure they don't clutter the title. Start typing directly into your YouTube title field or copy from an emoji picker. This first step sets you now decide where to put the emoji so it helps, not hurts. Place it adjacent to the most important word, or at the start if you want instant attention, and avoid multiple emojis that dilute meaning. Make sure your title stays under about 70 characters so thumbnails and search snippets don't cut off. Once done, create two variants, one with emoji and one without, and track CTR over a few days to see which drives more clicks. You finish by reviewing how the emoji displays across devices and making a final choice based on clarity and brand fit. Publish and then monitor CTR and watch time. An emoji can boost clicks but mustn't mislead viewers. If you spot odd characters or different designs that change meaning, swap to a simpler emoji or remove it entirely. One key troubleshooting tip: if the emoji misrenders or causes negative feedback, replace it promptly and retest to protect discoverability and trust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.